So on Kraken. Hi guys, welcome back. In this episode, I'm gonna walk you through the steps on how you can send crypto on Kraken. So in order to send crypto on Kraken, all you have to do is just make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So basically, what you'll have to do is first thing you have to make sure that you already have a wallet address of the receiver. So for that, you need to go ahead and log in into your Kraken account and tap on the fundings tab located in the top right hand side corner. As you do that, next page is going to take you to the interface something like this. So right on this page, you can either tap on the send button or withdraw. As you click on the withdraw button, a pop-up menu appears right in front of your screen. So from there, you need to select the asset that you wish to transfer or send. So select the asset, and next page is going to ask you to enter in the exact amount that you wish to transfer, and then the withdrawal address, which means the receiver's address, and confirm all of that. And as soon as you've done that, you'll be taken to the review center page where you have to review all of the information you have provided. If the information seems to be valid enough, then you can just tap on a send or confirm button, and you'll be notified with a statement that you've successfully sent crypto on Kraken. So in this way, you can send crypto on Kraken. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.